I see him! Bombay sails north!
Don't rush! There may be patrols ahead.
Are you ordering me away from a fight?
Any shit, woman, of course not. But I am not keen to die protecting a Roman, especially one who can afford his own protection. You know, you really should join this priory. You'd fit right in.
We're not here to protect...
Firebombs ready! Call for them when we pull near! Taking aim! More speed! Full speed! Ram them hard! Tempo! Incoming! One speed! Grab them hard! Off the tempo! Hey! Pick up the pace! Incoming! One speed! Grab them hard! Need more speed!
Bombay is taking heavy fire! We must stop them!
Keep at it, boxy bastards! We'll break them, or take them down with us! Grab them hard!
Pace, brothers!
Incoming!
More speed! Up tempo!
Ah! Not good! Incoming!
More speed, Shadow!
Taking aim!
Speedo!
Incoming!
More speed!
Taking aim!
Off the tempo!
Incoming!
Speedo!
Don't you have
Speed, Shadow!
Incoming! One more remains! That was brave work! There might be more to you than royal cutscenes!
Mind your tongue, old man, or you'll discover a better swordplay than sailing.
Pick up the pace! Need more speed! Up tempo!
Give them hell of a
Gary speed!
They're going down!
And that's the game! Well fought! Now let's find this Metro Coites. I've never met a Roman general face to face before. Ah, don't worry, I'll be on my best behavior.
Civil war in Egypt and a mercenary trireme comes to my aid. In the midst of war with Caesar, I find it odd. Who in Hades are you?
Well, we could have let you die.
Pompeius Magnus. Greetings and friendship from Queen Cleopatra.
Cleopatra offers gold to win my favor once I've won Rome. Is that what friendship means to your queen?
Whose face graces that coin? Do Roman women receive the same honor? An alliance with Cleopatra is a union of true power. She wants more than an ally. She seeks a king.
A valuable friendship indeed. Agreed. My fleet will soon be ready for Egypt.